As electric bikes, e-bikes, continue to gain traction for daily commuting and recreation, having a reliable bike rack that can safely transport heavy, wide-tatty bicycles becomes essential. The category covers hitch-mounted two-bike platforms designed to handle fat tires, wide rims, and higher payloads, while offering tilt and fold features for trunk access.
List number 1. Young 200 pounds two-bike rack hitch mount platform style. For Young electric two-bike hitch rack, a foldable tilt-back platform designed for 2-inch receivers, with a total load rating of 200 pounds, 100 pounds per bike, and compatibility with fat tires up to 5 inches. It emphasizes soft padded hooks for frame protection, a rear safety reflector for visibility, and a 58-inch wheelbase accommodation. The design is pre-assembled to some degree and includes a 1-year warranty, signaling a consumer confidence bet on mid-range performance. Notably, it carries a warning for RV use and a strict total capacity caution when behind RV installations, which helps prevent overloading in specialized setups. In practice, the rack's combination of soft frame hooks and wheel straps reduces paint damage during highway vibrations, and the tilt-to-access trunk feature remains convenient for daily drivers who frequently need to reach rear cargo. However, the stated 200-pound total capacity is not universal. Young explicitly cautions against exceeding 120 pounds behind an RV, which suggests load distribution nuances when paired with higher CG or long wheelbase vehicles. The 41.6-pound weight and 39.37-inch by 51.45-inch footprint indicate a sizable accessory that will influence hitch clearance on compact SUVs. The 2-inch hitch fit remains a universal advantage for many vehicles, but installation clarity and wobble resistance depend on vehicle tolerance and hitch class.
List number 2. Bike Rack Hitch Mount. The JY Performance 2-bike hitch rack brings a 160-pound total capacity, 80 pounds per bike, with adjustable wheel holders and a folding tilt design to simplify trunk access. It weighs 43.9 pounds and is positioned as an affordable option for e-bikes and fat tires, with a universal fit through most hitch receivers. The package includes necessary mounting hardware and emphasizes supportive customer service via Amazon, making it attractive for new buyers who value responsive after-sales support. In use, the adjustable wheel holders accommodate longer e-bikes, and the padded clamps protect frames from scratches during travel. The tilt and fold feature enables trunk access without bike removal, a practical benefit for daily drivers. With a relatively competitive price point, torque and wobble performance hinge on hitch geometry and vehicle class. Higher-end users may desire additional anti-sway or locking mechanisms beyond the included components. The product's rating profile, high at launch, suggests solid initial satisfaction, though real-world long-term durability should be monitored, especially under frequent loading and unloading cycles.
List number 3. Paul Lin e-bike rack for tow hitch. Paul Lin markets a 2-bike hitch rack with 200-pound total capacity, robust anti-scratch features, and a tilting folding design. The product emphasizes silicone mat hook protection, a beam protection cover, a wire rope for security, a hitch lock, and adjustable supports to handle up to 60-inch wheelbases. The rack supports up to 5-inch fat tires and accommodates a wide range of bike types, with a positive focus on installation clarity and a support team for setup assistance. Performance-wise, Paul Lin's use of 4-wheel racks that slide left-right to adapt to various wheelbases helps align heavier e-bikes with stable load distribution. The combination of orange safety straps, tire grooves, and tire seats adds stabilization on rough roads, while the included lock and wire rope offer theft deterrence. Practically, the unit's dimensions 28.34 inches by 14.17 inches by 5.9 inches and 40.6 pounds make it moderately compact for a 2-bike rack with fat tire capability, though it remains a substantial accessory that can impact rear visibility and hitch clearance on smaller vehicles.
List number 4. 2-bike rack hitch mount. Trail Expert offers a 2-bike tilt-back hitch rack with 160-pound capacity, 5-inch fat tire compatibility, and a foldable design. It includes padding, a hitch pin, safety strip, and anti-theft locking pin, emphasizing a balance of securing features and theft deterrence. The unit weighs 33.4 pounds and claims wide compatibility with various bike types, while maintaining a relatively modest footprint suitable for mid to large SUVs and trucks. In practice, the rack's anti-shake elements and shock absorption contribute to a smoother ride with heavier e-bikes, especially on uneven roads. The tilt-back function is quick-release enabled, facilitating trunk access without removing bikes, which is a tangible daily use advantage. The relatively lightweight compared to competitors aids installation and storage, but users should verify hitch compatibility with their specific vehicle, as the sheer width of fat tires near the wheel wells can affect clearance on compact rear ends.
List number 5. E-bike rack with ramp. A Great Bee positions its 2-bike rack as a near-premium, fully assembled solution with a ramp, integrated loading assistance, and rolling capability via built-in wheels and carry handle. It offers 2 per-bike limits up to 68 pounds, 135 pounds total, and supports tires up to 5 inches with wheelbases up to 50 inches. The ramp and foot-activated tilt system are standout ergonomics features designed to minimize lifting and loading strain for heavy e-bikes. In use, the ramp dramatically reduces manual lifting effort, and the no installation required promise, plus wheels and carrying handle, makes for exceptionally convenient transport and deployment. However, the trade-off is weight, 55 pounds, and a higher price point, $415.95, reflecting the integrated ramp, all-in-one assembly, and premium materials, carbon steel and high-strength nylon. The extended locking arms and anti-shake design add to stability, but the elevated cost makes this model best suited for users who routinely transport 2 heavy e-bikes and value seamless operation and minimal setup.